Welcome to a brief overview of the MyPayrollHR web-based payroll and HR application. Our system has been designed to give you the ability to set up and control all aspects of the application with the simple, easy-to-use interface. Upon logging into the system, you will be presented with the MyPayrollHR dashboard screen. The dashboard is the hub of the MyPayrollHR activity. This screen gives you immediate access to the most frequently used components of the system. The dashboard is divided into 4 sections. The first section, located at the top left of your screen, is for reminders. Reminders alert you to upcoming and past due events, such as payroll is to be processed, outstanding employee reviews which have yet to be completed, and general employee events that you may configure on your own. Clicking on any of these reminders will take you directly to the details of the action to be taken. The second section, located at the top right of the screen, is for indicators. Indicators provide you an instant snapshot of key human resources comparative statistics. By clicking on any of the indicators, you will be presented with a pop-up graphic illustrating the selected indicator. The third section, located at the bottom left of the screen, is the Shortcuts section. This section allows you to add your favorite reports and analytical tools directly to your dashboard for simple one-click access. The fourth section at the bottom right is the Employee section. From here, you may browse a list of employees and quickly access an employee profile by clicking on the employee ID number. The MyPayrollHR Employee Details page provides a comprehensive record of an employee's information that contains much more than the basic payroll information found in other systems. Information you may currently house in various spreadsheets and particular files can now be stored and organized in a single secure location. Once entered, you may access this data from any computer with internet access. You may also report on this information using one of our standard reports, or creating your own custom report using our custom report writer. The most frequently used fields are found at the top of this form. The only fields that are mandatory are those required to process payroll. These fields include the employee's legal name, hire date, social security number, worksite, pay group, and pay code. You may choose which of the other fields you would like to fill out. You may also customize any of the drop-down fields. Create your own worksites. Create your own pay groups. You may also track changes to an employee's details page using the File Audit at the top. MyPayrollHR makes it easy to identify state and local taxes with its tax geocode selector. Simply type in the employee's zip code, and the system will locate the tax geocode associated to it, as well as the city and the county. This code will allow MyPayrollHR to determine which state, city, and local taxes apply to both the employee and the employer. You may also choose to track the employee's personal information in this section, such as birthday, phone numbers, email addresses, and emergency contacts. The employee's tax filing information is found here. You may override the normal calculation of payroll withholding. Here, you can set up employees' direct deposit accounts, where there is no limit to the number of accounts you can deposit to. Track employee paid time off for vacation, sick, and personal time. Choose to accrue the hours based on pay periods or per hour. In this section, you may record information on employee performance reviews, training or certification history, and property assigned to the employee. Returning to the top of the screen, you may select from Quick Links to find more information on the employee. Select Year-to-Date Register from the pull-down list to see a snapshot of the employee's payroll history for a selected calendar year. In Quick Links, we can also set up employee deductions, garnishments, and contributions. To return to the dashboard, simply click on the Home icon. To begin processing payroll, select your pre-scheduled payroll batch from the Reminders section of your dashboard screen. Once there, you can choose to upload a time clock file from one of our time and labor management systems, or manually import your time using the timesheet entry. Choose to select All Employees for your batch, or you can select employees based on department or work site. For this example, we will choose All Employees. Once I have entered time for each of my employees, continue by clicking Done. All employee timesheets have been entered. Is the timesheet entry now complete for this batch? Yes. Now I am up to step 3, Batch Initialization. Batch Initialization will show you the calculations made by the MyPayrollHR system. No action is required here. Now we are able to review our batch before we finalize it. First, I will click on my Batch Review to see a quick breakdown of my payroll batch. If I would like to drill into a particular employee's check, I can click on their voucher number. Here, I see the detail for this particular check. At this point, I can also view my reports. I can preview my reports here, and I can also choose to print this report, convert it to a PDF, email it to myself, or export to Excel using this link. At this point, if I see that I need to go back and make changes, I can do so by clicking on my timesheet entry and going through my initialization step again. If my reports look okay, I can continue to step 5, Batch Posting. Batch is finalized once posted. Are you sure you want to post this batch now? Yes. Once you have posted a batch, no more changes can be made. At this point, you can print your checks or print your deposit advices, or we can print them for you. Once printing is done, your payroll is complete. You may log out. We hope this overview has given you an understanding of how MyPayrollHR can be a valuable tool to help your company manage your payroll and human resources. In the interest of time, we have omitted several features of our service offering from this presentation. Not the least of these are our HR Support Center, our ACA compliance solution, our onboarding and applicant tracking integrations, and our custom report writer. Please call us at 844-873-6747 or email us at info@mypayrollhr.com.